Welcome to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. Health, it's a lifestyle. Hey family, and welcome back to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. And on today's episode, we are going to be doing my red juice recipe. If you haven't checked out my green juice recipe yet, I will be leaving the link for that in the description box. In that video, I said that if you were interested in my red juice recipe to let me know, and I did get some requests. So today is the day. I'm so excited to share this with you, and here we go. So first, let's review which ingredients we will need for our red juice. We're going to be using whole carrots, red beets, fresh ginger, lemons, red apples. Get you a few mason jars, some glass jars for storage, and we'll be using our Breville Juicer, a knife, and a cutting board. Here's the portion I used to make 3 glass jars, and that is 2 beets, 2 lemons, 3 apples, about 1.5 inches of ginger, and 10 stalks of carrots. I'm gonna start by juicing my carrots. Next, I'm gonna juice my lemons. And as you can see, I throw those lemons in whole. And up next, I throw in my fresh ginger. And at this point, I noticed that my juicer was full of the pulp. So I'm just going to remove this pulp with a plastic bag on the side so that I can continue juicing. Next, I'm gonna throw in my apples, and I did quarter my apples. I sliced those into 4s. And next, the stars of our red juice. This is what really makes our red juice red. It's our beets. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I go kind of light on the beets. That's why I just do 2, because they're pretty strong and I like it a little less beety than the rest of the flavors. And then I grab a big container, like a big plastic container, and a big mixing spoon, and I mix all of the juice into one big container, making sure to stir it really well because they will settle at different densities. So make sure to stir it, and then I pour it into my mason jars. And that's it, family. Our beautiful red juice recipe is so delicious. Make sure to consume this and drink this within 24 to 48 hours. There are no preservatives in this, so enjoy. So delicious, so refreshing. I use it for post-workout. I use it for a meal replacement. I use it for a morning juice. So many options here, and it is so delicious and so beneficial to your health. Enjoy. Let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite juicing recipes? Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know about juicing or blending. I'm happy to share my recipes with you. See you next week. Bye. If you enjoyed the music on this channel, make sure to check out the description box for your own custom music by C Major Nation. And as always, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.